What's up guys, my name is Shreyas and welcome back to yet another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It'll really help us out. And remember guys, we are at 90 point whatever subscribers. I want to hit 100k. That has always been a goal that I've had. Now you guys might be like, hey, you're not consistent, right? So you don't deserve it. Yes, I agree, but I will be consistent from now. And if you see progress in my channel with the type of videos I make and also my own progress, then only then subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Thanks a lot for that. And also a lot of people have been asking, bro, where is the Great Indian Fitness Show? You posted a trailer and all that. Now what? You hyped it up and you're not even uploading it. You know what? I thought, let's just chuck it. I had a video on TikTok. Trust me, you'll find crazy fitness content on TikTok. But then that video might get copyrighted anyway, right? So I thought, just chuck it and let us talk about scams, right? Every week, people send me a lot of stuff. You won't believe it what type of content people send me. Just that I do not make videos on them because I feel it's not worth making a video because it will never get successful, right? Not my video, but those products or supplements. Today I'm going to talk about three things. One is regarding Kai Greene. I mean, Kai Greene doesn't, you might think Kai Greene has nothing to do with the followers that I have or the type of people I'm catering to, but no, I will tell you. Second thing is regarding a supplement that has been promoted. There's an option on Instagram. We'll talk about later. Third one is emotional story for emotional people to eventually become emotional and buy their product. Okay, so I'll talk about three things. The third one is the worst. You won't believe it. You might have seen it, but you won't believe it. Okay. First thing is Kai Greene. Now remember guys, Kai Greene has 5.5 million followers. Now Kai Greene has visited India a lot and I do follow Kai Greene and I know the kind of following that Kai Greene has in India. And one thing about us is most of Indians are vegetarians as well or vegans as well, right? So what Kai Greene has done today is, we all know this Game Changer movie was trending for the last 2-3 weeks. Not in the first week of its release, but after that it was trending every single place. I also made a review on that because it was trending, right? I have to sometimes. So what Kai Greene did is, he posted a picture with a broccoli and he's saying that he's been following a plant-based diet for a week. Yes, you heard it right, 1 week. And today he's come out with his ebook. Someone sent me this. I'm following Kai Greene, but I think I'm not like checking his profile out. But someone sent me this post where he's selling an ebook for $5. Now you'll be like, $5, it's nothing. But I'll tell you the issue guys. Now, like a wise man once said, a businessman is always at the right place at the right time. Okay, so that is what Kai Greene is using. Kai Greene is doing. He's using all this hype of the Game Changers movie and this vegan movement to sell his own stuff. Now remember guys, a person who's been doing anything for 1 week, be it lifting weights, training, studying, whatever, is not supposed to be selling a product saying, you know what, I did it for 1 week, now buy that stuff because I wrote it, I have a great body. Kai Greene has been a non-vegetarian, a proper hardcore non-vegetarian for 42 years. Suddenly he can't say that in 1 week his whole life changed because of a plant-based diet. Even on a plant-based diet, it takes time for your body to adjust to all the food that you put in. So you know what, if you see this, it might be sponsored post in a while. It was just released today. So what usually they do is, after a couple of days, once the hype is gone, they will promote those posts. So I'm sure he'll be catering towards Indians as well. So if you see that, do not buy that. So that is all about Kai Greene, nothing crazy. The reason I talked about this is he has hell lot of followers from India. I know that for a fact. Okay. Second thing is regarding a supplement surrounding keto diet. Now you all know my history with keto diet. I've tried keto diet as well, but you all know my opinion. I will tell you, initially you will lose a lot of weight on keto diet. The reason is, most people do the keto diet the wrong way. They cut down all carbs, keep protein the same and just increase a little bit of fat. Remember guys, keto diet is a high fat diet. It is not a high protein, a low carb diet or whatever. It's first of all a high fat diet. Okay, so you need to be on a very high amount of fat. But people, they completely cut down calories, take a lot of protein. Yeah, they take fats as well, no carbs. So from a normal diet where you're eating a balanced pattern where around 1000 calories will be coming from your carbs, if you cut down all of that 1000 calories, of course you will lose weight, right? So Keto diet was in hype a couple of years back, but now it's not the same because people have realized, right? People have realized it's not the best way to go about it. But recently I've been seeing ads on my profile every single day. Even though I don't want to see them, every single day I'm seeing ads, and I'm sure you guys might also be seeing these ads. I won't be taking the direct name because they might send me a notice saying you need to appear in court and all that. No, I don't want to do that. I've seen Salman Khan go through that enough. I don't want the same lifestyle where I go to court every single day. But what I'm saying is the supplement is keto diet supplement. Okay, that's not what the supplement is called, but when you look at it, you'll understand, you'll remember my video. So it's a supplement regarding a keto diet. So what they're saying is when you take that pill, you will suddenly go into ketosis. Don't do that. Don't buy these supplements. And they are using high profile celebrities like Bipasha Basu and a couple of others. I don't know if they are officially with the company, but I've seen a lot of ads with Bipasha Basu and her husband next to it. Bipasha Basu has been in that crazy shape for the last 20 years. Sorry, not 20 years. Yeah, 20 years, right? And suddenly, they are promoting all these products. So remember, guys, you might see this. Your family members might be in larger risk of getting scammed because they are targeted, or when you put an ad on Instagram, you can target age groups, interests and all that. So if your parents are interested in Bollywood and all that, they might get that ad. So be careful and share this video or tell your parents because we all know they use a lot of WhatsApp and Facebook, and it's easy to get scammed on Facebook. Trust me, my mom recently got scammed by some what do you call, she ordered some clothes or something, and it looked different on Facebook and it looked different when it arrived. So be careful. Okay, that's the second thing. Now the most important thing, the third thing, the most emotional out of everything, it's a story regarding this doctor from AIIMS. Yeah, AIIMS, right? That's what we call it. I might have spelled it wrong, but it is one of the biggest hospitals in India, or maybe even the world. Some of the top doctors are available there, and they used this story in such a great way. So let us read the story, guys. Okay, guys. So AIIMS doctor discovers shockingly simple way to lose 1 kg per day. The first all natural weight loss solution. Now, first of all, you need to look at these pictures, guys. These pictures are not real because I can tell you this. One of the female out here, she is a YouTuber. I forgot her name, but she's a YouTuber, I can tell you. And another person, I've seen him on Beer Biceps. So even he went through a crazy transformation. Now there's a like button here, right? If you press the like button, it will take you to their product. Okay, it won't. It is not a real button. It is just a image with the link. Okay, so that is that. Then they said featured in BBC News, CNN, ITV, UTV News. All this is bullshit. Don't believe it. So first thing is, they're all regular stuff. Many of our readers have lost 28 kgs in 30 days. Now there's an image of this doctor, right? Remember, guys, that is not the real doctor. You can find this same doctor on Google. It's basically a stock image. So now let us start off with the real news, fake news, sorry. Biomedicine doctor Ramesh Bhargava. So I googled Ramesh Bhargava. There's no doctor called Ramesh Bhargava in AIIMS. With the creating this trick and exposing huge lies in the weight loss industry, Dr. Ramesh Bhargava stumbled upon this revolutionary weight loss solution, blah 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 blah. So that is fine, right? We have seen posts like that everywhere, but it seemed like just another day at AIIMS when my life completely changed. I was in between teaching bioengineering classes and doing my rotations at the AIIMS teaching hospital when I got a call from my mother. She knew I was working, so she wouldn't have called unless it's really important. How filmy can it get, right? It gets even more filmy. When I saw her name on my cell phone, I was instantly nervous and took the call. What she told me next completely destroyed me. My younger brother Kapil, who was just 33, suffered a major heart attack and was being driven in an ambulance to the very hospital I worked in. Now, if this actually happens with someone, it's really sad. Okay, but I can confirm that there's no doctor called Ramesh Bhargava in AIIMS. So I checked it from India today. You can check that article. I'll leave a link in the description. There's no doctor like that. I excused myself from my class and rushed downstairs. Emotions were rushing through my mind. Would my brother be okay? How bad was the heart attack? Would you need a surgery? I knew I couldn't operate on my own brother. I was too emotional to go through with the surgery. Remember the first rule of being a doctor, guys. Have you watched the movie Munna Bhai? In that, Boman Irani says, your hand should never shiver. Your patient, you shouldn't love your patients, right? Remember that. So I started mentally listing which of my colleagues would perform an operation, blah, 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 blah. He goes on and, basically says his brother was dead at the age of 33. So what he did after this is like a proper Hindi film. Karan Johar would love making a movie on this. So after that, he did some research, because he was worried that people are getting fat, and he needs to find a solution for the fat loss thing. And he discovered some crazy stuff, and he said people are spending 50,000 rupees in weight loss spas and all that. I understand that is true. Don't go to weight loss spas, they're just scamming you again. And all he did is he did a lot of experiments apparently, and then he found a fruit. A final fruit was a delicious African berry deep in the Congo. So Congo is a country, right? In the medical school, I took a class on ancient medicines, and I recall my professor telling me how this one specific African tribe would ritually eat these fruits to raise their metabolism before they went out hunting, so they had higher agility and energy. So basically, he goes on and on and on. What is this crazy supplement he's talking about, right? And the answer is simple, guys. The crazy supplement he's talking about is called Garcinia cambogia. Okay, Garcinia cambogia. I'm pretty sure I've talked about this in the past in the worst supplements of all time or something like that. But basically, there's enough studies on this supplement saying it doesn't do anything for fat loss. And the biggest thing is, everything on this page is fake. Every single thing, okay? And they've used few examples. Milan Gaitonde, we have Gaitonde here, saying that I'm so thankful to my wife, introduced me to premium coffee, blah blah blah. I'm 18 kg, I lost 18 kgs, I'm thinner now than I was before the baby. Milan Gaitonde, really? Gaitonde? Why would you even listen to Gaitonde after Sacred Games season 2, right? I would not believe Gaitonde. So basically, guys, again, this is not a proper website, okay? Which means you might be watching some video on the internet. If you don't have the ad blocker on, please don't turn on ad blocker when you're watching my videos. Please don't turn on ad blocker. But if you're not watching my videos, if you're watching something else, that gives you happiness, and you see this ad saying, 28 kgs in a month, and you click that, only then you will go to this website, okay? So these days, these kind of ads are running everywhere, Instagram, Facebook, on any other random website. So be careful, guys, and don't believe in this thing. Garcinia cambogia is one of the least important stuff that can help you burn fat. The only way to lose fat is increasing your activity. Now, do fat burners work? Your regular fat burners, they do work, but nothing, they do not burn fat directly. They burn maybe 30 calories extra in a day, okay? And that you can burn by just walking, right? So yeah, I wanted to mention this because someone else sent me this. Otherwise, I wouldn't be talking about this, guys. When someone else sent me stuff, I need to talk about it because others might also be checking it, right? So these were the 3 things for today. I'll be back again next week with some more scams that you might fall for. And I know for a fact people do fall for these scams, So even if 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 people can get benefited, that's great for me, right? So that's all I need. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll be back again. Also, let me know if this hairstyle looks good. My parents say I look like an idiot, but let me know what you think. I'll be back again, guys. Peace out.